blíži sa koniec školského roka a my sme si pre vás znova pripravili niečo také netradičné, niečo nové. Ako môžete vidieť, za mnou je teraz zelená plocha, ktorá sa o chvíľu zaplní našim živým zlatom, prídu naše deti a potom to všetko roztočia. Takže ešte predtým, a ja by som chcel zaželať všetkým deťom na Slovensku krásne prázdniny, veľa smiechu, veľa slnka, hlavne nech sa nikto nezraní, nech dočerpajú energiu a plný nadšenia potom prídu do nového školského roka. Takže krásne prázdniny celé Slovensko.
Sunshine for me, sunshine for you. Sun is shining, everybody feels alright. Sunshine for me, sunshine for you. We're gonna dance the night away. Sunshine for me, sunshine for you. And we're gonna dance. Sunshine for me, sunshine for you. Everybody's having fun. Sunshine for me, sunshine for you. And we are the children of the sun.
Make up all the massive and crew. Today let's make you smile. Forget your worries, I'll lick you out. This rhythm is like a trance. It's our crazy company dance. So jump up in Hardy. Jump up in Irie. We don't need no Bacardi to really party. Our move require action. Make to your satisfaction. We want you to join the show. Let's celebrate this vibration. Enjoy this sunny location. So let the party flow. Once again, here we
Sunshine
go.
for me.